This topic has to do with the recent announcement that HP, Hewlett-Packard computers, are supposedly, coming back with their consumer PC division. And, weeks earlier they were, they were going to sell it off or spin it off as a separate entity or something like that. And it's not just Hewlett-Packard, it's other companies too that's been making some drastic changes that and later just going back the way the things they changed their mind and going back the way things used to be. It kind of takes away from the confidence of the shareholders and the consumers, because let's say supposedly they're going to get rid of HP consumer PCs. Now people are afraid to buy their computers because they may decide later on, we're just going to get rid of it. And so where's the support, and all that, the parts and so on. So, they may have not a tendency to, buy Hewlett-Packard computers. Obviously the CEO was fired over that decision. I kind of can see why. And, they sold their, I believe it was HP touchpads. I think that's what they called them, which are their tablets. And, they were selling them at a great loss, $99. Of course, then they were really popular. They were selling them, on the cheap. It's kind of a shame, too, because, they were planning on killing WebOS. And, WebOS, I think they should keep that because it looks like a very good option, other than just the Android operating system. It had a lot of promise. So it looks like maybe they're going to bring those, tablets back along with maybe the WebOS. We'll see. And it's not just Hewlett-Packard, doing things like this. If we look at Netflix, they made some drastic changes as well. Of course, their pricing plans, and then decided to spin off their streaming and DVD rental business. So they're actually going to, separate the two and make the DVD rentals as Quickster. And I can see why people didn't like that, because now, people who have the DVD service, now they got to make a separate user account and name, and it makes it more complicated. Now they're going to have two separate billing statements, and, anything that complicates it more for the end user tends, make people not want to do it. So, and then they come back and say, well, sorry, we made a mistake. We're going to put everything the way it used to be for now. And, that doesn't bring very much confidence on the public when they do these things. So they really need to do a lot of research before they make big decisions like this. And as far as with HP, stock prices really dipped down low just because of that. So we'll see the future of that.